Welcome to the Zeo Route Planner tutorial series. Today, we're going to cover how to ensure that routes created in our mobile app are visible on the Fleet platform. Step 1. Open the app. Start by opening the Zeo Route Planner mobile app and navigating to the History tab. Here, you'll find the option to create a new route. Step 2. Create the route. Add stops to your route by entering them manually, uploading an image, scanning a barcode, or uploading a file. Make sure to fill in all necessary details for each stop. Step 3. Once all stops are added, click Done Adding Stops. Next, enter your starting and ending locations, as well as the date of the route. Step 4. Assign the route owner. Now, look for the route owner option. Decide whether the route owner will be yourself or your fleet owner. Step 5. Visibility settings. If you select the fleet owner as the route will become visible on the fleet platform, specifically under the Playground page. Choosing the fleet owner as the route owner becomes a very crucial part to view the route on the fleet platform. Step 6. Route creation. Finally, choose Save and Optimize or Navigate as added. This action finalizes the route, making it accessible to the designated fleet owner. And that's it. You've successfully ensured that your route is visible on the fleet platform. Thank you for choosing Zeo Route Planner, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.